Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has directed that all buildings erected along waterways in the state be demolished. The governor gave the directive recently while inspecting phases 1 and 2 of the Warri Effluent Storm Water Control projects in Warri South and AKUGHA local government areas of the state.
In anticipation of heavy rainfall in the months of July and beyond, Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori recently inspected phases 1 and 2 of the Warri Effluent Storm and Water Control projects in Warri South and AKUGHA local government areas of the state. While on an inspection tour of the projects, the governor discovered that there were obstructions caused by the erection of buildings along waterways designed to serve as drainages in critical areas. This prompted a directive that all buildings erected along waterways be demolished for contractors handling the projects to carry on with their all-important assignment.
We've looked at them and I call the PS Housing, PS Works to liaise with Ministry of Lands to see how those buildings can be brought down to enable access, so enable the construction company to do their jobs.
At his inauguration on the 29th of May this year, Right Honorable Oborevwori had made a promise to give Warri a facelift and restore its lost glory. To this end, the governor visited parts of Warri and Ughelli where he called for an end to street trading and the relocation of motor parks to designated areas. He also found time to inspect ongoing construction of the Warri Stadium and expressed dissatisfaction with the quality of work on the project.
I've come to see what they have done here, and I'm not too satisfied with what they have done. So we are going to look at those contracts and see how we can review it. And some of the areas we know that it's not properly scoped, they will scope it and all that. So we want the best for Warri, and this is Warri City Stadium, so we want the best for them.
Opportunities for All is a major component of the MORE agenda designed to make governance relevant to the needs of Deltans under the Oborevwori administration. The Delta State Governor had reiterated his governance philosophy when the Delta State Council of Traditional Rulers paid him a courtesy visit recently at Government House, Asaba.
Whether you are APC, whether you are PDP, whether you are AKUGHA, we have won election. Everybody's won. The most important thing is how we bring more development to the people, how we're able to eradicate poverty from this state. We know that there are a lot of things that is going on before now, the social investment program that is going on. We'll continue to do more on that and make sure that more people are engaged, more development in terms of infrastructure development across the 25 local governments.
Earlier, Chairman of Delta State Council of Traditional Rulers and the Oroje of Okpe Kingdom, retired Major General Felix Mujekpero Oro I, advised Right Honorable Oborevwori to make the entire Delta State his primary constituency in the distribution of democracy dividends.
I want to emphasize that having won the election, now you are the governor of the Delta State, you will take the whole state as your constituency. And you will do everything to satisfy everybody. And also in your appointment, you can go around to do but I also advise you, be wise as a serpent.
The royal fathers who passed a vote of confidence in the Delta State Governor for an impressive outing prayed for the success of his administration.
Inside the Niger Delta,